Hey, it's Cheeseburger 390 here, Blake.
Drew.
And we will be driving the car around. You are apparently on a car.
Drive around?
Yep.
No. No. Okay. You can see it. Get it pointed the right way.
It's just enough. Don't worry. You'll be okay.
There you go.
Dang it. Break. Go.
Drive. It's not
No,
trying.
no. It's fine. Trust me. I look at it.
Stop.
Back up and ramp over it. I got it. No.
Yes.
No.
We need to go back.
Stay. I guess.
Turn
Yeah.
around. Turn around.
What the? This is terrible so far.
Turn it off.